Cruise by Mandy. The Norwegian Joy is about to go under the Lionsgate Bridge. I've always wanted to see a ship go under a bridge right underneath me. Let's see if my fantabulous business development managers, Soleil and Mary Sue, are out there. I know they are headed up to the haven. My eyesight is not that great.